Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. As we all know, music can be highly motivating, making us feel motivated and ready to take on the world. But no matter what emotion music evokes in us, it is a method for us to reconnect with our history while remaining present in the present. This is why we enjoy music so much. This is why music is so popular all across the world. We all listen to music, and no matter where you are in the world, music has the ability to influence you and your life in ways that no other art or type of entertainment can. So in this video, I will show you how to make money for free by just listening to music. Yes, you can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. This video is perfect for you if you want to earn money online while making other people happy and doing what you love, like listening to music. Not only that, but you'll learn how to maximize your performance and possibly earn even more income. But first, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. For step number 1, I like you to go to YouTube and search for the keyword Top Songs 2021. As you can see, there are many rare song collections that you can choose from. This is amazing music from hot singers and current artists to listen to. That's why you must include year 2021 when you type. Then all I ask is that you choose 3 of them. Well, you're going to open up in separate tab. And this is the first one I've got. This is going to be the first one I've selected. The second one is right there. And the third one is, of course, exactly here. So that's the end of the first step. You will search for a keyword and open the 3 selected videos in separate tabs. Step number 2 is to go to another website which is named ouo.io. Please pay attention because this is extremely important. ouo.io is a URL or link shortening service. Yes, this is available worldwide. By the way, it will shorten any URLs you enter into this platform. And now, all you have to do is come right up here where it says sign up for free. You'll click on it, input your username, add your email address, create a password, confirm it, and then join up. It's that straightforward and it's all for free. After it's done, this then displays your dashboard. Your dashboard shows how much you've earned, your views, your CPM, your total available earnings, and everything else. This is quite simple and once again, it is completely free. Anyone from anywhere in the world can use it. Let's head back to the video. Now, I want you to go back to these playlists and listen to them again. This is where you'll remove the lengthy URL from the playlist. Each video's address bar is located at the top of the page. This one, and this one. You're going to visit this site. Okay, I'll teach you exactly how to do it and you'll get paid if everyone clicks on this particular link that you generate. Take a look at this example, and I'll show you how much you may earn. Also, here's the first one you selected, which I'll copy the link to ouo.io website again. To shorten a link, I'm going to click here, paste it, and then hit this arrow. And it's done. Now, I'll go to the second address, which is the second YouTube video. I will copy this URL, then head back to ouo.io again. I'm going to paste at the same spot where I'm going to hit the arrow. And that's it. I'm going to do it again, and this time, I'm going to the third one. This third and final YouTube video containing the best songs of 2021 is now available. By the way, I'm going to copy the URL again and paste it here. I'm going to click it once again as you can see this original link, in which I'm going to erase and replace with a new one. And there it is. So now you have a unique shortened URL for each of these 3 links. And anyone who clicks on any of those links will be taken to each of these playlists right here, where they can listen to the top 20 songs of 2021. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Have you ever considered how you might be compensated for doing so? That's exactly what I'm about to show you right now. But if you go back to ouo.io and look at this link spotted right here, it contains all the 3 of the shortened links that you just produced for each of those YouTube videos. If you click on it, this will take you to these playlists for which I've just created. This is fairly straightforward. However, before I get into the rest of the technique, I'd like to show you how much money you can make. Here's a look at their payout rates. This ranges by country. For example, if someone from Australia clicks on your link, you could earn $5. If the United Kingdom clicks on it, you can earn another $5. Then there's the $4.1 from the United States and so on. This doesn't matter where you're from now because you can generate money even if your country isn't on this list because you're going to make at least $1 on this website, and that's the minimum. For every 1,000 likes on the link, you can receive $50. You're not trying to figure out how to achieve 1,000 likes so you can start making money while listening to music. By the way, as you can see, this is available globally. However, the amount of money you can make is determined by the country from which the clicks originates. So the technique I recommend is that you go to facebook.com and search for top music. There are a lot of groups in top music, and some of them have over 28,000 members. As you scroll down, you'll notice that there are a variety of groups to join. And what you want to do is simply tell various groups by commenting on some of their posts as well as creating your own post, which may say something like, "I enjoy music, which is why I joined this new group. I've put together a YouTube playlist with the top 20 top songs of 2021. After that, post the shortened link you created. You'll get tens of thousands of visits on your link because you're joining these Facebook groups with tens of thousands of individuals looking for top music and particularly people who are interested in the top music of 2021. Take a look at this person. He included his own video link. He could make hundreds of dollars only from people clicking on his link if he had a shortened link from ouo.io. But considering all the ways you can use with this method to start making money while listening to music is simply by having people click on your link. To summarize, first step you have to do is to go to YouTube and search for keywords relating to music. Second, copy the URL and paste it to the website ouo.io to shorten the link. Third, share your link using any social media platform like Facebook or Instagram. And that's it! You can earn a huge amount of money depending on how much clicks you acquire. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next video.